Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a needle on an embroidery machine. First, prioritize safety by turning off and unplugging your machine. This prevents accidental starts. Next, gather your essential tools, a small screwdriver, often included with your machine, and the correct new needle for your project. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and quick process. A well-lit area also helps you see clearly. Now, let's remove the old needle. Locate the small screw on the side of the needle bar, which holds the needle in place. Using your screwdriver, gently loosen this screw. You don't need to remove it completely, just enough for the needle to slide freely. Once loose, carefully pull the old needle straight down and out. Remember to dispose of it safely to prevent any injuries. With the old needle removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new needle and ensure its flat side is facing the back of the machine. This orientation is crucial for proper threading and stitching. Gently push the needle all the way up into the needle clamp until it can go no further. While holding it securely in this position, use your screwdriver to firmly tighten the needle clamp screw. Before you start embroidering, perform a few final checks. First, visually confirm that the new needle is securely in place and still correctly oriented with the flat side to the back. Next, rethread your entire machine, ensuring the thread passes through all guides and the needle eye correctly. Finally, run a quick test stitch on a piece of scrap fabric to verify everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.